How to watch live football on YouTube TV with Verizon. Step number 1. Verify your T-Mobile or Verizon eligibility. Make sure you have an active Verizon account, mobile or home internet. Check if you're eligible for discounts or free access to YouTube TV or NFL Sunday Ticket through Verizon. Step number 2. Sign up for YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network for live football. Step number 3. Add NFL Sunday Ticket, optional. If you want access to out-of-market NFL games, consider adding the NFL Sunday Ticket to your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 4. Add NFL RedZone, optional. You can also add NFL RedZone, which provides live coverage of touchdowns from all Sunday afternoon games. This can be added as part of the Sports Plus package for $10.99 per month. Step number 5. Install YouTube TV on your device. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your preferred device. Step number 6. Sign into your YouTube TV account. Open the YouTube TV app and sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your subscription. Step number 7. Navigate to live football games. Use the search function to find specific football games or browse through the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming matches. Step number 8. Start streaming. Select the football game you want to watch and it will begin streaming live on your device. Step number 9. Take advantage of Verizon promotions, if eligible. If you are a Verizon customer, take advantage of the promotions they offer. Free NFL Sunday Ticket. New Verizon customers who purchase a new plan may get NFL Sunday Ticket for free. Discount on YouTube TV. Verizon offers discounts for their home internet and wireless customers on YouTube TV. Step number 10. Monitor activation and enjoy streaming. Activate your promotions and begin enjoying live football games on YouTube TV with Verizon discounts.